Hey, it's Randy from Ripa NorCal. So I've been getting my Ripas delivered to me, and they're always a real pain to unload. So I ended up getting this ramp, and it's pretty cool. I found it off of Craigslist, and it's a nice size ramp to put right back to the truck and adjustable. But it only had these little wheels, and I'm on gravel. Look at these little things it had. So now I'm installing these off-road units. Of course, nothing ever goes quite to what you think it's going to go. They welded the washers on, so I had to grind everything off. But it should make my life easier to put this right up to the back of the container, and I could adjust it with the landing gear to get the excavators off. Okay, just a short little video. Randy at Ripa NorCal. Can you dig it?